and most businesses in general, don't put specific barriers and borders on what their brand voice actually is.
Hi, I'm Trish Tagley, and this is Optimal Instinct, the podcast. I'm a business consultant that works with organizations that sell services B2B. Organizations that want to get clients to stay longer, be more open to upsell, and refer often. Why am I different? Unlike other consultants, I get you to your action plan in a day. What's your time worth? Today we have as our guest Justin Blackman. Justin is obsessed with brand voice. Over the last 2 years, he's written for more than 329 different entrepreneurs. Before that, he wrote 10,211 headlines for 100 different companies, just for fun, all during the hours he wasn't creating content